and the ocean, so it'll be hard for it to change.
Today we have exhibition going on at our campus. It is the final project that our students present in fifth grade.
Which is the culminating event where our students demonstrate the program of inquiry that they have gone through and actually present to the community. They present to the parents, they present to stakeholders, different things that they can contribute to both the environment, to society.
García Elementary los invita a ayudarnos a plantar un árbol y construir un mundo mejor.
They get to pick the topic that they are concerned about, they research it, and they present this project. It's like their final graduation project from elementary to middle school.
I feel sometimes nervous, sometimes happy to tell them what is the first station about.
It is very important for us to understand that student exhibitions at fifth grade for IB programs are not only a great thing for students to be able to be reflective and process, but they look at opportunities to influence others to have good, significant change.
In the IB curriculum, we are trying our best to create caring individuals, international-minded caring individuals that are concerned about their world and that are concerned about making it a more peaceful and better place for the future.
Thank you, parents, for coming to the Graciela Garcia Elementary to listen to our IB exhibition project.